How to clear Play Store search history Google Play settings. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to Play Store app in our phone. So let's click on Play Store. Once we click here you guys will see on top right corner am over your profile pic. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will simply click on settings on downside. Once we click on settings here, you guys can see general, network preferences, family, about. So simply click on general. Once we click on general here, you need to scroll. Once we scroll here, you guys can see network preferences and other things. But also you guys can see account and device preferences. So simply click here on second one. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see on downside clear device search history, clear wish list and other things. So you will simply click on clear device search history. Once we click here you guys will see clear history cancel. Simply click on clear history. Once we click on clear history, that's it, our history will be clear. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.